Right, this will be interesting. Seeing these boys getting underneath this bridge. Right, well, just approaching the bridge now. It's 14 foot somewhat centimetres and a couple of big rigs ready to go underneath it. I'd be quite interested to see what this is like. They must have done it before or they wouldn't have come this way. Right, there you go, there's the bridge. First big rig. Oh, it looks okay. Looks so it's straight underneath for them. But I'll keep a good view. I have plenty of room for the first one anyway. Second one's a wee bit taller. Now that's close. Oh, he hit it. The thump, he hit it.